In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a content strategy with ChatGPT, so you can stop guessing what to post and start creating content with a clear plan. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just getting started online, this simple workflow will help you map out your audience, goals, platforms, and content ideas in minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. All right, let's get into it. Step 1 is to open ChatGPT. Once you're in, you want to start with a clear prompt so ChatGPT understands exactly what you need. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. Instead of asking something vague like, "Help me with content," give it a focused instruction that includes your niche and the purpose of the strategy. Step 2 is to ask ChatGPT to create a content strategy for your niche, including your target audience, goals, and platforms. You can say, "Create a content strategy for my niche, including target audience, goals, and platforms." If you want to make it even better, replace "my niche" with something specific, like fitness coaching, personal finance, skincare, digital marketing, travel, or small business growth. This helps ChatGPT tailor the strategy to the right type of audience and the right content channels. Once you send that prompt, ChatGPT will usually give you a structured response that includes who your audience is, what kind of content they need, what your content goals should be, and which platforms make the most sense. For example, it may recommend short-form videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels, educational posts for LinkedIn, or longer tutorials for YouTube. This is the foundation of your strategy, and it saves you a huge amount of time compared to planning everything manually. Step 3 is to generate your content plan. This is where ChatGPT becomes really useful because you can ask it to turn your strategy into a real posting schedule. Use a prompt like, "Create a 7-day content calendar with post ideas and captions," or go bigger and ask for a 30-day content calendar if you want a full month of ideas. You can also ask for content pillars, hooks, CTA ideas, and caption styles, so each post is ready to publish with less editing. If you want a more organized content system, ask ChatGPT to break the calendar into categories like educational posts, behind-the-scenes content, product promotion, testimonials, tips, and engagement posts. This makes your content feel more balanced and gives your audience different reasons to follow you. A good content strategy is not just about posting often, it's about posting the right mix of content that builds trust and gets attention. Step 4 is to refine the strategy. This is where you take ChatGPT's first answer and improve it with follow-up prompts. You can say things like, "Make it more viral," "Add hooks, hashtags, and a posting schedule," or "Make the captions more engaging and audience-focused." This helps you go from a basic strategy to something much stronger and more optimized for growth. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite the content ideas for different platforms. For example, one idea might work as a carousel post on Instagram, a short video on TikTok, and a LinkedIn post with a more professional tone. That kind of repurposing is a huge time saver and helps you get more value from every content idea you create. Another smart move is to ask ChatGPT to give you content angles based on pain points, trending topics, or beginner mistakes. That way, you are not just posting randomly. You are creating content that speaks directly to what your audience is already searching for or struggling with. You can even ask for call to action ideas, like "Comment below," "Save this post," or "Follow for more tips," to improve engagement. A great tip is to keep iterating. Don't settle for the first version ChatGPT gives you. Ask it to make the ideas shorter, more emotional, more educational, more sales-focused, or more aligned with your brand voice. The more you refine, the better your final content strategy becomes. And that's it. Now you know how to build a content strategy with ChatGPT from start to finish. You've learned how to open ChatGPT, ask for a niche-based strategy, generate a content calendar, and refine everything with more viral hooks and better scheduling. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what niche you want to build a strategy for next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.